If you love ice cream and like the flavor of turmeric, you'll love this low-fat, plant-based, quick and simple vegan ice cream. Let me show you how I make it all in one blender. 1/2 of a cup of pineapple that's been defrosted over 24 hours. So it was frozen pineapple, and the juices from the pineapple we'll add as the liquid. 1/4 of a teaspoon level of organic turmeric, a dash of salt, a few dashes of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure it's organic and it is alcohol free. Otherwise, you will taste the alcohol, which will ruin your ice cream. 2.5 frozen bananas, broken into 1/2 inch pieces, which equals 15 pieces of banana. Blend on low until you see they stop popping like popcorn. Take a large spoon and smash this down so that the blades can blend this into a cream. You want this to be completely creamy with no chunks of banana or pineapple. Okay, we'll check it one more time to make sure there are no chunks. Ooh, that looks so pretty. You see that? Smashing that down. I don't feel any chunks, but I'm going to blend it one more time just to be sure. I want all the flavors to be incorporated fully. All right, it's done. Very simple, quick. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like. Nice and creamy that is. Okay, just got my bowl and just scoop this in here. Isn't that pretty? Look at that color. Isn't that great? So pretty. All right, let's give it a taste. Very creamy. Delicious. I taste the pineapple. It's a nice, strong, wonderful flavor, and the turmeric is just a little taste of it. Now, turmeric's extremely strong, so that's why I only put a 1/4 teaspoon. You don't taste the salt, which is good. And the cinnamon, just a hint of cinnamon. It's really light and very sweet. It's really good. Kind of surprising. Let me know if you'll make this. I'll have all the ingredients in the notes below. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease like I did, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.